Hi friends, welcome to my channel Job Updates by Varma. You will get all the latest updates about every jobs in my channel, and I will post latest news of every job for all sector like government sector, private sector, engineering sector as well as PSU jobs also. Stay tuned with my channel. Please subscribe my channel to get latest news. So today I am going to give you the news about the recruitment from the Northeast Frontier Railway Department. So there are nearly 4,499 posts. So it's a huge in number in this lockdown scenario. And the last date of application is 15 September 2020. So hurry up guys. So Northeast Frontier Railway invites online application for engagement of apprentices for 4,499 vacancies in designated trades at workshops or units. So basically they requires the qualification of ITI in the relevant trades, and the selection process will be based on merit list. So I will give this application link in my description box. Kindly find that link from that description box and click on apply from it there. So interested candidates can apply. So basically it is recruiting for Guwahati, and online application starting date is 16th August. So you see that it is already started, and last date is 15 September, and the age limit is, you can see, 15 to 24 years of age. So it is a beautiful chance to all freshers in ITI category. So you can see the relaxed age limits is given here, and all over the post is published for Guwahati. So you can see for Alipurduar 493, it is for West Bengal. So for Dibrugarh it is requiring 276 posts, and application fee is very less, 100, and women candidates and SC/ST PWD candidates need not to pay any amount. So it is free for women category. So for girls it is a great chance to apply for this job, and fee payment is currently done through online mode. And the education and qualification it is requiring, you must have passed 10th class with minimum 50% of marks, and you should have hold ITI relevant trades. And the relevant trades are given here: mechanist, welder, electrician, refrigerator and AC mechanic, lineman, painter, diesel mechanic, etc. So the selection process will be basis of merit list, and merit list is each unit will be percentage of marks obtained in the matriculation, with minimum they are requiring 50% marks, plus they will consider ITI marks in the trade in which the apprenticeship is to be done. And you need to go to this official website from clicking here, and for more details you need to click to the application form. Just I am clicking here, so it will redirecting me to Northeast Railway application page. So it is giving me the notification. So in details it is given here. From this link you will get the application link through which you need to apply for this job. So you can see the total number of vacancies is 4,499. So it is a huge opportunity for every freshers from ITI category. So don't waste your time, just go for it. You will get this application link, and you need to click on this, and from there you need to fill the online form. So that's it my friends. Thanks for watching. Thanks for your patience. All the best. If you are thinking that this job is applicable to you, then go for it. If you want more updates, please subscribe my channel. Please hit the bell icon button so that you will receive the first notification when I will post latest news about every jobs. Thank you for your support. Thanks for watching my video.